Hi everyone, welcome back to Soft Asia. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can create tabs using JavaScript and HTML. So let's start without wasting any time. I have three files: index.html, style.css and script.js. In style file, I used CSS to make UI look better. In index file, I used HTML to create tab structure. Here in HTML file, in head section, I included style file and specified the title of file. In body section, I added a div with class name title. In this div, I added h2 heading and a paragraph. After this div, I created another div. In this div, I added article element. Article element represents a complete self-contained composition in a document, page, application or site, and that is in principle independently distributable or reusable. In first article element, I used an image element which represents an element. In second article element, I added a div which contains three button elements. These buttons are tabs. A second div, I added three more divs where I will show content of tabs, and at the end I included JavaScript file using script element. Now I will write JavaScript code to make these tabs work. First of all, I will declare a constant variable about. Constant about is equal to document dot query selector dot about. I will add another variable btns. Constant tns dot class is tab hyphen btn. I will declare third variable articles. Constant article equal to document dot is letter all dot content. After declaring variables, I will now add event listener or click event on about element. When the event is triggered, the function inside the add event listener method is executed. About the add event listener click function I will get the value of the data ID attribute of the clicked element and assign it to ID variable. If the clicked element does not have a data ID attribute, ID will be undefined. Constant ID equals e dot target dataset dot ID. Now I will use if statement to check if ID has a value. If ID has a value, it removes the active class from all elements with the class remove the active class from all elements with the class tab button using for each loop. If statement, I'll use if id buttons dot for each function button class list dot remove active class. Then I will add active class to the clicked element using class dot add method. I will also remove active class from all article elements using for each loop. Articles dot for each function article article dot class list dot remove active class. And finally, I will select the element with the ID that matches ID using the document get element by ID method and add the active class to it using the class list dot add method. Constant element equal to document dot get element by ID class list dot add active. Overall, this JavaScript code is responsible for showing and hiding different content sections based on the button the user click on. Let's have a look on front end and check whether these tabs work. As you can see, tabs are working. I can switch tabs. That's it from today's video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.